Everybody, it's Kim. I'm getting ready to do my ready meals or meals in a bag, whatever you want to call it. And what I did was I cleaned out my pantry. Pretty decent. I mean, I still have a few things in there. But what I did, I'm separating out everything that has less than a year, 6 months to a year on the expiration date. Now, do I believe in expiration dates? No, but I want to use the oldest food first. So that's what I have out here. I've kind of sorted them out a little bit. I have my fruits and potatoes and some pasta sauce, a few other things over here. And as you can see, my beautiful kitchen is not so beautiful anymore. A couple of these things are not, like this is new. These cans of ham are new. But the rest of this is, like I said, I don't think pasta really expires, but you could see, like, oh, that's 824. Well, that's a good one. All right, I didn't realize. I thought it said 821. But anyway, I'm working on those videos for you. I'm going to do two types. Most of it's going to use up these type of things. I want to do the ready meals, and then I want to put myself together as lightweight as I can to go or bug out, whatever you want to call it, meals that will be at least 72 hours worth, hopefully more. And while I'm putting those together, you know, it takes me some time to figure this out. Let's put it that way. I'm working on it so you guys know, and I have plenty of other things over here. Most of this is probably some of this is going to go in my to-go bags. And I want to look through, I still have to get through my totes to see what I have that needs to get used up fairly quick in there. So give me a couple of days and I will start posting videos for you. I hope you guys have a wonderful night.